In this series, we explore module permissions, a key feature for managing user access. Since module permissions have multiple aspects, we'll cover them across several videos. In this video, we focus on applying permissions to individual users specifically, what they can do, see, and edit. Module permissions revolve around three key elements: users, roles, and profiles. A profile is a predefined set of permissions that can be applied to multiple users. This streamlines administration. For example, if a company has 50 engineers who require identical permissions, instead of configuring each user individually 50 times, you can create an engineer profile. You define the necessary permissions once in the profile and then apply that profile to all 50 engineers. A major advantage of this approach is that when a permission needs to be modified, you simply update the profile and the change automatically applies to all engineers at once. Roles, which we'll cover in a later video, link profiles to specific CAPEX requests. Common roles include site superintendent, accountant, manager, and project manager. Each role is associated with specific profiles, and these roles are then assigned to particular CAPEX requests. Today, we'll focus on user-specific permissions. These are persistent, meaning they remain in effect unless modified by a super user. To illustrate, let's take John Roberts, a finance manager. We'll review his current permissions and the option to save them as a profile. This is useful for creating reusable permission sets. For instance, if John were an engineer and the company had 50 engineers with the same permission requirements, you could configure all the necessary permissions for John, save them as an engineer profile, and then apply that profile to all the other engineers. Permissions are divided into sections, including general settings, budget, and contracts tracking.